DIY! Hi, and welcome to Como Miguel. On this episode, I'm going to be doing DIY. I'm going to make some air fresheners because my house smells like shit. Well, not just shit, but like trash and like a stinky dump or a bathroom, anything. So if your house stinks too, this is the video for you. Here is what you will need. Jars, hot water, salt, gelatin, food coloring, and essential oils. I'm going to start off by putting a cup of hot water in each one of these jars. Each of these packages is a half of a tablespoon, so I'm going to add 2 and add 1 tablespoon to each jar. And give it a stir. And now I'm going to add a half a tablespoon of salt to each one of these and continue to stir. I'm going to do 4 drops of essential oils in each one of these. The first one, I'm going to do 3 peppermint and 1 vanilla. And this one is cedarwood, 4 drops. Grapefruit, and 4 drops. Oops, 5 that time. Can you edit that? And lemongrass, 4 drops. 5 again. And 4 drops of food coloring in each one. Next, let it sit for a day or try in the fridge and see if it gels up faster. Now that these are set, they're ready to set out around your house. I hope these help your house to smell better. If you want to make these a little bit more decorative, you could tie a piece of twine around the edge right here. That's a bonus pro tip.